Bag. That bag was in the way. Oh, really? Oh, he gets a ball that's 3 feet outside called a strike, and he's the player of the game? Maybe Aaron Judge ought to clobber the friggin' umpire. Every time an ump calls an outside, a low, or an inside pitch that's clearly a ball, I think Aaron Judge should smash the umpire in the head with a bat. It's totally ridiculous. I saw one that was at his ankles. I mean, the ball almost skitched the ground. The catcher had to like scoop. Yeah, okay, that was a strike, sure. So I'm saying, like Aaron Judge should be allowed to just smash an umpire right in the head with the bat and get away with it, like Roberto Alomar spitting in the M's face and Peter Gammon sucking on him, getting him into the Hall of Fame, talking about him constantly. Hall of Fame, Hall of Fame. He deserves the Hall of Fame. He deserves a Hall of punched in the face. Roberto Alomar was a scum. All right, this is from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm just going to show you really quick. 3 score packs. I was gonna say I forget who, but I remember now. It was I know what it is, but there's like 3 names for it. Hometown, Mount Pocono, Pocono Pines. I forget. The Pocono Pines. One up in the Pocono. One up on 940. Almost near Stroudsburg. There was one. This was the only thing they had. They had one pack on their shelves. So I bought it. And I got an Alex Bregman Chrome 52. I couldn't believe it. And then I got a Yelich 52 also. But I was laughing. Like, no, I mean, the cards in the pack were really good. They're really good. But, yeah, I mean, the pack was damaged, I think. All the cards had something wrong with the upper left-hand corner, but the Bregman and Yelich cards, SC, is it Chrome? Is it SC? I forget. TC 52. Topps Chrome 52 Bregman. What a sweet card. I mean, seriously, what a nice card. And Yelich is sweet too, but I mean, I was like, when I first opened that pack, I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, how lucky could you get? Topps Chrome 52 of Bregman. At first I saw it was an Astro, and I'm like, that's not Altuve. I didn't know who it was at first. Then when I realized it was Bregman, I'm like, oh, that's a great card. At the end of the day today, I grabbed the 2 hockey packs. One, they were both American. Yesterday I grabbed a tin, and there were 3 tins. I grabbed 1 tin. I left 2 tins on the shelf, and then I grabbed one of these fat packs, the Canadian version. Okay, this one I ordered food. I don't think you guys want to see that. I know you're gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh at me, but I only did it to get stickers. They had this at one of the Walmarts. So I said, you know what? I got a couple of them. I might as well grab another one. because I have the 1920. I don't have the 2021 version of the sticker album. And if I'm buying the stickers, I might as well have the album. Okay. Yeah. I threw I don't even know how many things of these I got. I don't even know. I went exploring on Wednesday or Thursday. I think I went down to Hamburg, down in 74? Is that 74? 74? 76? Maybe it'll say it here. Yeah, Hamburg. Highway. It doesn't say. Yeah, it's just giving me the address. I know it's 70 something. I used to drive down 61 to get to college. I figured I was down in the hometown. I went to St. Clair. I figured it's right down the road. Yeah, right down the road. If I went the way I used to go to college, it would have been right down the road. But it wound up going like, instead of being like this, it was like this. And then I went back to hometown. I went the other way. It took like 45 minutes to get there this way, and it took about 25 minutes to get back. If I knew that. All right, there's all those sticker packs now. I'll open them because I got 9 minutes left in the video. I'm gonna open two. Yeah, one of the packs was ripped open. I took it. And the guy said, "Oh, aren't you gonna pay for it?" I said, "Why? It's damaged." And someone ripped it open, and the cards were bent and stuff. So I'm like, why are you letting people open up your product and putting it back on the shelf? I don't understand that. So I didn't care. I was gonna pay for it. If he fucking acted like an idiot, I would have just handed it back to him and said, "Okay, here you go." I said, "I didn't open it. I'm not paying for it." But he didn't. Most of those employees are pussies. This is like a crappy pack. I don't even know what that is. Pierre-Luc Dubois was my foil card. Really? Freaking pitch was 6 feet outside, and they're trying to get him to call it a strike. It's unbelievable. These umpires, instead of being a strike zone, it's like, and it's ridiculous. They're missing. I mean, the one pitch that they called on Sanchez before, it was not only low, it was outside. And it was not only outside, it was low. I mean, it was like catty corner to the strike zone. I mean, it was like, here's your strike zone. It was like way over here. Well, all right. Here's your strike zone. It was way over here. I mean, like low and outside. And ump called it a strike. And Sanchez just like put his arms out like this and like took a deep breath and turned around and like walked away and just stood. I would have stood there for 5 minutes. And I'd been like, change the fucking call or I'm not getting back in the box, you asshole. Like, it was that bad. And then, of course, he like flied out or swung at a bad pitch and popped out on the next pitch. It was ridiculous. These umpires, they ruin the game. They ruin people's like careers and stuff too with calling bullshit, getting people to like, ooh, I got a clef bomb. But yeah, it is ridiculous. Adam Fox. Who the hell is that? Oh, Chris Kreider. And then Matthew Berzai. Who's this? Los Angeles. Ooh, Drew Doughty, baby, on the foil. That's actually a good card. But anyways, good card, good sticker. but no, I mean I don't want to say they're ruining their career, but what they do, you string together apathetic umpires that suck, that don't have a clue what they're doing, call them bullshit, having a frickin'. It's funny, I always say strike zone. Smoltz's strike zone. Glavin's strike zone. Maddox's strike zone. Like the Braves. They used to get every call. And then Forrest Gregg was calling all those strikes outside, and they lost 1-0. And I'll never forget what a punk Tom Glavine was, bitching and moaning about the strike zone. I was like, hey, Dick, here's Forrest Gregg's strike zone. Yours is usually like this, so what the hell are you bitching about? It was 1-0 game. Forrest Gregg gave you all the same calls. You just made one mistake. Gave up a run. Well, too bad. Hall of Famer. Glavine. What the hell did Glavine do to be a Hall of Famer? Oh, he won 300 games. Yeah, and he also was able to pitch when he was like young. What'd they do? Bring him up when he was like 19, 20? He pitched for like 5, 6 extra years than most people do. If you can't win 300 games in 20 years, there's something wrong with you. All right. Those were my water. Oh, here it is. The tin and this is the last French pack. 26 cartes at l'Interru. I don't know how to say l'Interru. I think the last one actually was the way it's spelled. It's so goofy. Can't really tell. All right, what do we got? 3 minutes left. Went to a Rite Aid, picked up 2 of these. These are only $1. I mean, $1 or 99 cents. And this, I don't know how much this was, but look what it is. I saw it and I was going to get it no matter what. But then I looked on the front. I'm like, are you kidding? That's a freaking Charizard. It's like, oh my God, it's a Charizard. All right, this is, 99. The Charizard was $4.49. You believe that? I couldn't believe how cheap this stuff was. Charizard. Wow. I mean, wow. I don't know what that's worth, but it's got to be something. Right, this is when I went to Wilkes-Barre, and they had nothing, like usual. Started off the day real early. Went up to Tunkhannock. Nobody gave me any problems. For once. The last couple of times I went to Tunkhannock, they were being real assholes up there. I don't know what their problem was. So I got two Series 2 blasters. This is good. This is really good. Now, for the coup de grace. Oh shit, where's the... I must have left it out in the car. I'll have to make another video. But here's the coup de grace. Like I said, they rip up these boxes, and they damage these cards, so I took the pack. I mean, it's ridiculous. I don't understand what's wrong with these people doing stupid stuff like this. Topps Chrome Soccer. It's the UEFA Championship League. Oh, okay, this is 2021. But I was like, Topps Chrome, I gotta grab it. And now, I also grabbed one of these just because it's like the old prices. I'm still mad I didn't get that Prizm UFC box the other day. You see what this is? Do you see what this is? Boom. Boom. I was like, I couldn't believe it. Not only did they have them, but I got 3 of them. How do you go wrong? 3 Prizm basketballs. All right. Thanks for watching.